how do you get a more storage on a OneDrive? So let me explain that and guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this. So obviously you open up the OneDrive app. It's ideal to have it as an application on your device. And once you get inside, you can tap on your profile in the top left section and see your current storage situation. So you can see that we have 5 gigabytes for free, and I can see exactly how much I'm currently using. So you can literally tap on get more storage, and that is going to give you the pop-up to upgrade to a monthly or even yearly subscription. So you can get 50, 100 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, or even up to 6 terabytes. But that obviously depends on what the price point you are happy with. So that is the way to do it, of course. But as well, if you don't click on the actual button to get more storage, you can click on the link above it, which is gonna get you out of the app into a web browser, which you can use to as well just like get inside and started browsing the same stuff on the internet. So in that place, you will have some other options too. But yeah, the whole point is that you can basically manage the individual things, right? So you either upgrade and pay for more, or you delete some of the things which are already on your device and you are part of the OneDrive, and you can free up the storage that way. So of course, one of the most notable things is that the camera backup for photos. So if you have it turned on for your pictures, that means that every single photo will be automatically uploaded and backed up to OneDrive, and this is gonna get your storage really cluttered real fast. So you might want to reconsider that, but that's obviously up to you. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I hope it helps. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.